Hey everybody, this is a market update for Cumberland County, North Carolina, based on monthly averages over the past 90 days. The month supply of inventory is currently at about 2.5 months, meaning that at the current rate of sales, it would take approximately 2.5 months to sell all the homes on the market. So over the last 90 days, with a monthly average of 718 active listings, the average sold per month was about 254. The median days on market is 37 days, meaning that homes on the Cumberland County market are selling in about 37 days. The 97% sold to list price indicates that, on average, sellers are closing for about 97% of their list price. And finally, the median sold price in Cumberland County is $256,000. Remember, this is the midpoint at which half of the homes sold for more and half sold for less. Thank you for watching this market update. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the current real estate market in Cumberland County, feel free to leave a comment or DM me. Have an amazing rest of the week.